morning, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. Well, I'm outside with my chickens, and I have used a variety of things for watering. For some reason, this car-top carrier is no longer holding water. So, I decided to use a sled that I bought for the kids, grandkids, but nobody wanted to take it. So it will work perfect, and with the new baby chicks I think it's a good idea because it's not so deep. It will be safer for them, so let's fill it up. Another thing that'll be good is that quite a few chickens can drink out of this at the same time. And the dog. You thirsty, Coco? Well, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. We keep trying to reuse things or repurpose them here on the homestead. Nothing goes to waste that doesn't have to. All right, I want to pray blessings on you and yours, in your house, out of your house, in the day and the night, and whatever you do, keep dreaming. I'm going to go harvest in just a little while.